start.
Good morning all the respected teachers, principal sir and my dear friends. Here I am Arshita Rawat from class 3rd A talk to about Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale was a social reformer and the founder of nursing. She was born on 12 May 1820 in Florence, Italy. She undertook nurses training in Germany in 1853. She had a strong desire to devote her life of service of others. She would check her patients with the help of a lamp throughout the night, so she called Lady with the Lamp. She was awarded Royal Red Cross Medal. She had a significant role during the Crimean War in 1854. The great woman died on August 13,